Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So unlike any other videos, your videos I will not be camping. So it's like a day trip. There are four-wheel drive accessible campgrounds in Blue Mountains. So I'll be going there and I'll have a look for my next campground. And it's more like a location recce. Recently entered the national park. The way is someone say gravel bato so hopefully everything will be fine. Campground, it says four-wheel drive access only. So guys, got few shots again. I'm tired because I have to get out of the car, set up a camera, come back again and drive again and stop the car, come back again, grab the camera. So yeah, it's very challenging, but I hope you guys like the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and support the channel. So guys, finally made it to the campground. Not a bad campground, eh, guys, to be honest. It is huge. It looks amazing. आवाज के आइरहेको छ मेरो गाडीमा I don't know है अलिकति हावा फुस्केको साउन्ड आएर चाहिँ maybe something to do with the sensors and stuff. एकदमै धेरै स्पट्सहरु छ बुकिङ गरेर आउन एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. Wow, amazing drive, not too far from Sydney, only 2.5 hours from where I live. Trails त्यस्तो गाह्रो पनि थिएन. I think पानी परेन भने टु व्हील ड्राइभ्स पनि आउन सक्छ इजिली. फोर व्हीलै हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. तर ब्याक जाने बेला I will not be taking the same way. म अर्को ट्रेल लिन्छु which is more फोर व्हील ड्राइभ ओरिएन्टेड ट्रेल हो त्यो चाहिँ. मसँग खानलाई धेरै केही कुरा त छैन हैन. त्यही पनि अब I have got teas. चिया बनाउँछु म. केही खा छैन. त्यो खाइसकेपछि चाहिँ आई विल ह्याभ टु हेड ब्याक किनकि मसँग धेरै टाइम पनि छैन अब वाट टाइम इज इट 2 बजिसक्यो अनि त्यही हो गाइज भेरी हङ्ग्री अलिकति नेपाली भएपछि चिया पनि खानु पऱ्यो होइन आई सो यु गाइज हाउ आई मेक चिज म्यान सो काम चलाउ स्टोभमा I've got gas already loaded in. Yep. So I thought I forgot the milk. तर मसँग milk रहेछ यार. So happy. के जलेको बस्न आयो यार. अलिकति के जलेको बस्न आयो गाइज हैन. So what I'm going to do is म यसलाई चाहिँ अब I'm going to change my location. यहाँ बनाउँछु अब. This is me, not everyone, but sometimes I like spending time alone and just relax, travel, धेरै पर पनि जानु परेन हैन. अब मेरो चिया पनि अब रेडी हुन लागिसक्यो जस्तो लागिरहेको छ मलाई हैन. So let's check. So guys, unfortunately, as always, your track pani close gardeko cha. There is no way in. If as you can see, they have locked the door, fire trail, due to recent wet weather. So no walking, no cars. So they have locked it. Yeah, but you can see, locked it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Unfortunately, it is closed and there's nothing we can do about it. Keep enjoying my videos, keep liking, keep subscribing and keep supporting. Thank you guys. See you in next video.